Speaking of earnings, then, David, I'll say with you on this. Two things. So what do you think so far? I know it's been thin, but more importantly, earnings and the most important earnings report for this earnings season that we should be focused on.
Well, we're seeing the banks this week, Charles. I think that was pretty telling. I'm also going to watch some of the investment banks that are reporting next week. And, I got this wrong. I mean, I was bullish on banks, but you got to separate banks. I think there's investment banks, but you've really got the regional banks. And I think the regional banks, it's becoming clear that's where the profitability is going to continue to be at. They just don't have the lacking revenue from their trade desk or investment banking revenues. So there's a name that I love. First Republic's a great name. You can get it at a good price, still down 20% year to date. But if you look at what it's doing today, it's up almost 4% today. So I think these regional banks are going to continue to rally as we get into the next couple of weeks, as they report more earnings. I think we're going to see that those smaller banks that are closer to the consumer, do very well as net interest, as interest rates rise. That's where I think we want to be watching going forward.